Some CAM systems make you wait. Minutes turn into hours, and progress turns into frustration. When every toolpath needs babysitting, productivity stalls. You shouldn't have to second-guess your software or your support. That's why PMT delivers more than just software. We deliver precision, performance, and peace of mind. Powered by WORKNC, parallel processing, collision check toolpaths, real tool accuracy, ready when you are. From onboarding to optimization, PMT helps you program smarter, faster, and safer. Because we don't just sell CAM, we help you master it. Precision isn't an upgrade, it's WORKNC. And at PMT, we make sure every customer gets the results they were promised. Experience the difference. Discover WORKNC with PMT. Learn more at pmtechnologies.com and start with the WORKNC Essentials Training Course, your first step toward mastering precision.